Hello students, in worksheet number 13, we are going to learn about types of cell reference. First of all, what is cell reference? Whenever we are using cell address in a formula, it is called a cell reference. That means whenever you write a formula, in that formula, you are using a cell address. That cell address is called cell reference. With references, data can be used in different parts of the worksheet. There are three types of cell references: relative reference, absolute reference, and mixed reference. You must have observed that whenever we write the formula, we write it like this: is equal to C5 plus D5 plus E5. Here C5, D5 and E5 are cell references. And whenever we are writing any formula in this way, it is called relative cell reference. In relative cell reference, when the formula is written, cell address written in it are based on the position relative to the cell. Relative cell reference means when we write a formula in any of the cell addresses that are written inside the formula are based on the position of the cell where we are writing it. And when the formula is copied or moved, the cell address gets changed automatically. This means जब हम उस फॉर्मूला को कॉपी करेंगे या फिर मूव करेंगे किसी और सेल के अंदर, तो वो फॉर्मूला जो है अपने आप चेंज हो जाएगा. Now let's understand about relative cell reference through an example. I'm going to write a formula here to find the amount. So I will write equal to, I have to multiply these two values to calculate the amount of 13 kgs of sugar. So 52 is written in the cell C3, then multiplication sign. Then we will write the cell address of the cell where 13 is written. It is in D3, so I will write D3 in the formula. Then I will press enter key. Now it shows me the result. Next I'm going to do is just drag it downwards to apply the formula to all the cells. Now you must have observed the answer is different in all the cells. But I have copied the formula that I had written in the cell E3 to the other cells also. But it is changed automatically. So this is an example of relative cell reference. If I click here, my formula is C4 multiplied D4. You can see in the formula bar. If I click on this cell, here the formula is equal to C5 multiplied D5. But I have not written this formula. It is copied automatically. This thing is called relative cell reference. जैसे ही हम अपने फॉर्मूला को कॉपी करते हैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली चेंज हो जाता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोजीशन. Next we have absolute cell reference. Absolute cell reference is used when we don't want to change the cell addresses written in the formula on copying to another cell. Absolute cell reference के अंदर जब भी हम formula को copy करते हैं to some other cell, that formula remains same. It does not change. In absolute cell reference, we are going to use dollar sign. इसमें जो चीज़ हमने फिक्स रखनी होती है उसके साथ हम डॉलर साइन यूज करते हैं. You can see the formula that is written in absolute cell reference looks like this. equal to $C $3 plus $D plus $4 plus $E $5. Let's take an example of absolute cell reference. I'm going to erase these. Now I'm going to write a formula using absolute cell reference. Like here I have to multiply these two numbers. So I will write $C3, $C, $3. Multiplication sign, then again $D, $3. Now press enter key. You get the same answer, but if I drag it downwards, you can see same answer in all the boxes. Here also it is 676. The formula that is used here is again $C $3 multiply $D $3. Here also we use the same formula. Now on dragging, the formula is not changed. Here also you can see the same formula is used, right? So this was about absolute cell reference. Now next is mixed cell reference. Mixed cell reference is the combination of both absolute cell reference and relative cell reference. So ये absolute cell reference और relative cell reference का combination है. इसमें हम कुछ चीज़ों को fix रख सकते हैं, कुछ को हम change करते जाएंगे. Okay. Now we are going to take the example of mixed cell reference. But remember, जो चीज़ें हमने fix रखनी है, for that we are going to use $sign, और जो चीज़ें हमने change करते रहना है, for that purpose we are not going to write $sign with that. Like here with the example, dollar is written with C. So the column C is fixed, but dollar is not written with 3. So row number will be changing. Again here there is no dollar with D, so column will change, but there is a $sign with 4. That means row number will remain same. Now let's understand mixed cell reference practically. So here I have to write the formula to find the amount of 13 kilograms of sugar. So I will start with equal to. Now I am going to keep the column C fixed. So I will use dollar symbol for C. Dollar, then I will write C. But the row number will be changing as per the item. So I will not write dollar with number 3. Then multiplication sign. Again I will write dollar in front of the name of the column, that is D, as the quantity of each item is mentioned in column D only, so I will write only $sign with D, then 3. Now I am going to press enter key. It shows the answer now. Now I am going to copy the formula to the other cells. I am going to just drag the mouse. Now the formula is applied. So if I click here, you can see the formula mentioned here is equal to $C4 star $D4. Here row number is changed. Earlier we used the roll number 3 in the original formula, but when I clicked on this cell, the formula is changed to $C4 multiply $D4. In the same way, you can see here formula is $C7 multiply $D7. So, by now we have studied about three types of cell reference. First one was relative cell reference. In relative cell reference, formula changes according to the cell automatically. We do not need to fix anything in it. We do not use $sign in relative cell reference. Another cell reference is absolute cell reference. Here we are going to fix each and every column and row number in the formula so that whenever we copy the formula, the actual values of the cell reference remains same. But in mixed cell reference, it is combination of both absolute cell reference and relative cell reference. That means इसके अंदर हमने जो चीज़ें फिक्स करनी है हम सिर्फ उसके आगे ही $साइन लगाएंगे. Otherwise we are not going to use $साइन